To migrate your WordPress site to Namecheap, follow these steps. Choose a hosting plan. First, sign up for a Namecheap hosting plan that suits your needs. Back up your existing site. Use a plugin like Updraft Plus or manually export your database and download your WordPress files. Log into Namecheap. Access your Namecheap account and go to Domain List to manage your domain. Access cPanel. Click on Manage for your hosting account, then select Go to cPanel. Create a new database. In cPanel, go to MySQL databases. Create a new database and user, then assign privileges to the user. Upload files. In cPanel's File Manager, navigate to the public_HTML directory. Upload your WordPress files and extract them. Import database. Go to phpMyAdmin in cPanel, select your new database and import the SQL file you exported earlier. Update wp-config.php. Edit wp-config.php to reflect your new database name, user and password. Test your site. Visit your domain to ensure everything is working. Update permalinks in the WordPress dashboard if needed.